part 2 of going to the forest. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh my god. Okay, you're going first.
Okay.
I am too.
No, that one's loose. That one's so loose. Kind of sketchy.
That is a cold.
This, like I said, this is sketchy. Then there's just come on.
I want you to go first, my guy.
Be quiet. Okay.
Oh.
Warning. Ow. Wait. I hurt myself. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
Okay, got it, my guy.
Warning.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah.
This is for entertainment purposes only.
Yep. Come on. Here you go.
Hi, my guy.
Because you could hurt yourself very bad. Oh,
Oh, that is a little fine. It doesn't hurt that much.
come on. This is where we found the cat.
Yeah.
Getting closer, guys. Just, okay, don't throw it yet.
Yeah, let's go. He doesn't really hurt. You know what I mean?
Bro, that's a dead bird. Bro. What is that? That's like a dead bird. Here, go look. Do you see it? Okay, we're gonna stop recording. Moran's going first. We found a dead bird. We do not.
Oh,
No.
spiky plant.
Oh, spiky plant. Okay, guys, just wait. Bro, that's actually a dead bird. Well, move your head. That's a dead bird.
Wait,
Okay.
wait, maybe we have to cut it somehow.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're going back.